Dear students, after considering various reaction mechanisms and the theory before that, we will now switch over to some multiple choice questions. And after considering discussing those multiple choice questions, it will not only help you to solve multiple choice questions, but also it will make you understand how to go through various different levels of multiple choice questions. The earlier theory should be considered very seriously and sincerely, the reaction mechanisms and hybridization. Let us directly start with first question. Although I have not written the entire question, only the core part for the sake of understanding, means directly we have to write the answer. Now, the question, the core part of the question I have written, order of stability of ions. Actually, these three, Roman 1, 2 and 3, these three are cations. So, order of stability of carbocations or cations, and there can be 4 options: 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, whatever. Let us consider which one can be correct. Let us start one by one. Let us start with this Roman 1. This is the carbocation. Now, let me write optimum structure, I can say. Carbonium ion, positively charged carbon, positively charged carbon, and 2 methyl groups are present. Carbon atom which is attached to 2 other carbon atoms. So, this is secondary carbonium ion. Now, the stability of this carbonium ion can be explained on the basis of hyperconjugation and also on the basis of inductive effect. Since there are 2 methyl groups, this secondary carbonium ion is stable because of positive inductive effect of 2 methyl groups. That is one thing. And secondly, this carbonium ion, secondary carbonium ion here, isopropyl carbonium ion, is stable because of 6 hyperconjugation forms. Now, hyperconjugation we have studied earlier. You can go back and again learn it. If you have missed, you should start with that. Hyperconjugation, alpha CH bond, such 3 hyperconjugation forms on this side and 3 hyperconjugation forms on other side. And therefore, total 6 hyperconjugation forms are there, and the stability of this carbonium ion is because of first plus I effect of methyl groups, such 2 methyl groups are present, and as compared to inductive effect, hyperconjugation effect is more effective. The predominant part is because of hyperconjugation effect. Such 6 hyperconjugation forms are present. Therefore, the stability of this is due to these 2 factors, that is now known to us. Now, let us switch over to this one. Again, this is that way secondary carbonium ion. Let us study the stability of this carbonium ion. What are the factors which decide the stability of this carbonium ion? Let me write it in optimum structural form. 1 methyl group is present on one side. Since it is positively charged, empty orbital is there, and on one side methoxy group is present. 2 lone pairs on oxygen atom, 2 lone pairs are present. Now, plus I effect of this methyl group and hyperconjugation from this methyl group means alpha CH bond, such 3 alpha CH bonds are present, and therefore 3 hyperconjugation forms are present. So, because of this methyl group, like what we had considered earlier, there are 2 methyl groups. Such one methyl group is present on one side of the carbonium ion. Positive inductive effect will stabilize the carbonium ion because positive inductive effect will increase the electron density in this positively charged carbon, and so electron density, if it increases here, this becomes to certain extent electron deficient. It means that the positive charge, which seems to be centralized here, actually because of plus I effect it gets decentralized. More the decentralization of the charge, more is the stability. Same logic is more effective if there are hyperconjugation forms. Such 3 hyperconjugation forms are there, but on the other side of the carbon in the form of positive charge carbonium ion is present methoxy group. This is methoxy group. Here it is empty orbital. Now, what is possible? Out of 2 lone pairs, 1 lone pair and empty orbital on carbon, which not only carries positive charge, there is an empty orbital which can accommodate 1 lone pair. So, lone pair and empty orbital will give rise to, I will write it here, will give rise to this methyl group. Now, for the sake of writing, I will use a short form CH3 carbonium ion earlier, and now lone pair of electrons on oxygen and empty orbital of this carbon forms a double bond. 1 lone pair is used, 1 lone pair is there still. So, since 1 lone pair becomes a shared pair, now positive charge on the carbon in this carbonium ion gets shifted on oxygen. So, because of this methoxy group and the lone pair of electrons on oxygen, this resonating form is possible where positive charge gets transmitted over oxygen, means the positive charge, unit positive charge which was present on carbon in carbonium ion gets decentralized in unit form on this oxygen, and therefore, this carbonium ion because of this group is present in 2 resonating forms. Now, resonating form, this is resonance. Resonance, the stability because of resonance is always greater than the stability because of various hyperconjugation forms, and stability of positively charged carbon because of positive inductive effect, as compared to that the stability because of hyperconjugation forms is greater. This is more powerful effect, but resonance effect is more powerful than hyperconjugation, and therefore, this carbonium ion because of the resonance, 2 resonating forms is more stable than this carbonium ion. Now, we will switch over to the third option. Let me again write it. 1 methyl group is present on carbonium ion, carbonyl group, methyl group, positive charge is there. So, whatever 3 hyperconjugation forms, 1 methyl group plus I effect is applicable here. Here such 2 methyl groups are present, here it was 1, again here it is 1 methyl group, that common part is applicable here also. But this carbonyl group has electron withdrawing tendency. The pi electron is not in conjugation with this. There cannot be any resonating form for this carbonium ion, but the carbonyl group has electron withdrawing. Electron pulling means carbonyl group will pull the electron density. If it pulls the electron density, means this positive charge on this carbon will further increase, and therefore, the stability of this carbonium ion will be less because of presence of carbonium, this carbon oxygen double bond carbonyl group, electron withdrawing tendency carbonyl group. So, these are the reasons, and from this what we get is that the stability of this one, the second one will be, means the answer among the options, this one will be more stable because of resonance, then will be this because of hyperconjugation, 6 hyperconjugation forms. Here are although only 3 hyperconjugation forms, resonance form is present, and here actually it doesn't increase the stability of carbon ions, actually it acts in opposite way, it decreases the stability, electron withdrawing group decreases the stability, and therefore order in this case among the options, this option will be the correct option, stability of carbonium ions. The knowledge of that is very important for various other MCQs and questions.